Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install Easy Trade Tycoon inheritance game on your PC. Guys, first open up your browser and just search for the Steam website. Once you search for it, now simply open it. Now you will see the login option on the right hand top, so just click on this login option. Now guys, simply sign into your account. If you don't have an account, then just scroll down, you will see the option of create an account. So guys, simply create account on Steam. So once you create the account, then click on the install Steam option you are seeing on the top. Now guys, simply download the Steam and install it into your PC. Guys, this is very simple and easy. Once you download and install the Steam, simply open up the Steam on your PC. Now simply log into your account, then click on the top search box and just type here the Easy Trade Tycoon inheritance. Now this game appear on the top. So simply open up this Easy Trade game. Now once you open up this game here, just scroll down, you will see the option of add to library. Now this game is for free, you can download and install it for free. Just click on the option of add to library you are seeing right here. Now simply click on this option of okay. Now this game was added to your Steam library. Now go to the library of your Steam. On the left hand side, just find this Easy Trade game. Once you find it, then just click on that, then click on the install. This is how you can download and install this game. If you find this video helpful, so please like it and bye bye.